Welcome to the Loubby AI dashboard. Today, I'll be walking you through the Connections feature as a candidate. From your side navigation, go to Connections. Here, you'll see three sections: Your Connections, Connections, Pending Connections. 1. Connections. Connections are requests sent by potential employers who want to connect with you and send messages through the Loubby platform. From here, you can view their profile or start a conversation. 2. Pending Connections. In Pending Connections, you'll see profile images, names, and options to either accept or decline a request. For example, I'll accept this request. As you can see, the system confirms with Connection Request Accepted. Now, I have 2 active connections. From here, I can view their full profile or message them directly, which takes me to the conversation window. Three. Messaging. Within the messaging window, you can type and send messages seamlessly, allowing smooth communication with your connections. And that's how the Connections feature works for candidates in the Loubby AI dashboard. Thank you, and have a great day. Visit loubby.ai to get started.